Good morning, Saugus. I'm Sami Stadtlander, and today is Friday, October 18th.
And I'm Merrick, and this is SNN.
For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd let you know what Big Ben refers to.
Big Ben is neither the tower nor the clock of England's House of Parliament, as it is commonly believed to be. Rather, it is the largest of the bells in the tower clock, which was installed in 1858.
London newspapers of the time named it Ben after Sir Benjamin Hall, the Commissioner of Work who was responsible for adding the huge 13.5-ton bell to the tower.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Club Photo Day will be next Tuesday in the gym. The schedule is posted in your teachers' classrooms. Students and clubs will receive dismissal passes on Monday from their club advisors. If you do not see your advisor on Monday, seek them out to get a pass.
The deadline for taking senior portraits is October 26th. That means all portraits must be scheduled and taken by that date. If you have not had your portraits taken yet, schedule your appointment as soon as possible to guarantee that there will still be times available. Portraits not taken by the deadline will not appear in the 2020 yearbook. Contact O'Connor Photography at the number listed below to schedule an appointment.
Now, let's go to Marisa Lamas with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Marisa Lamas with your sports news. Congrats to girls varsity golf, who placed 4th in the Foothill League this season. They were led by sophomore Brooke Maxwell, who was our team medalist in nearly every match. Seniors Michelle Walker, Madeline Brown, and Delaney Hollinger also contributed to the team's success, while newcomers, sophomore Hannah Rudder and freshman Regina Lee, flashed tons of promise for the future. Juniors Renee Davila, Ellie Castro, and Grace Fitzgerald also pitched in along the way. Also, congratulations to Frosh football on their win against West Ranch last night. AJ Goodman and Dario Sandoval both scored touchdowns. JV and varsity play West Ranch tonight at COC. JV plays at 4 and varsity plays at 7:30. The Blue Crew theme is patriotic. Good luck to all Centurion athletes. Today, the October Super Series activity will be held in the gym at lunch. The activity will be the basketball minigame knockout. It is an open invite, no catch-ins, no knockouts. That's all for me. Now let's go to Olivia Kern in the kitchen on how to make a vegetarian tostada.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Olivia Kern reporting for SNN with another episode of Cooking with Protein. Today we will be cooking a vegetarian tostada. This recipe is fairly simple and extremely healthy. Let's get started.
For today's recipe, you will need a corn tortilla, vegetable oil, beans of your choice, I'm using pinto, shredded cheese, shredded lettuce, avocado, sour cream, and lastly, salt and pepper. All of these ingredients could be supplemented or added for your preferences, but for this episode, I will be using these. To start, set your stove to medium heat and put your vegetable oil in the pan. Place your tortilla in the pan once the oil is hot and let it fry in the oil, occasionally flipping it. Once fried, place your tortilla in a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. You can salt here for extra flavor. First, spread sour cream over the whole tortilla. A fork works best. Next, using a spoon, place your heated beans onto your preference. Then, add your shredded cheese and lettuce. Lastly, we want to cut our avocado safely. To start, you want to make an initial cut in, then cut around the seed to open. Once opened, either carefully use a knife to take out the seed, like so. If you do not feel confident in your knife skills, you can also scoop it out using a spoon. Once the seed is removed, use a large spoon to get it out of the skin. After removed, take your knife and cut to the desired thickness. Now place these on top of your tostada. And there you have it, Saugus, a quick and easy way to make a high-protein tostada with no meat. I must disclose, eating this may get messy, but it is worth it. Remember to stay healthy and try this recipe out on your own. You can rewatch this segment on SNN's YouTube page for reference. This has been Olivia Kern reporting for SNN.
Thanks, Olivia. That looks delicious.
Sacramento State's rowing team is looking for female athletes to join their competitive NCAA Division I program. They recruit about 6 to 8 high school girls from all sports backgrounds and have no rowing experience. They are looking for someone who is 5'9" or taller, strong, cardiovascularly fit, skilled in Adobe Photoshop, and has a great work ethic. Scholarships are available for those interested in applying. The team is offering a one-day clinic on Saturday, November 16th. Contact the Saugus Athletic Directors or Rick Singer for more information on how to sign up.
A representative from the Seattle Pacific University will be on campus on October 24th during 6th and 7th periods in the NPR. If you would like to attend, go to the counseling office to sign up and get a permission slip.
The NROTC scholarship is available for seniors. It covers 100% of college tuition, textbook stipend, living expenses, travel opportunities, and more. Applications are available at the website listed below, or go to the counseling office to pick up a flyer.
The Epic Flight Academy has 2 scholarship opportunities available for juniors and seniors interested in aviation. One is worth $20,000 and the other is $5,000. For more information, go to the website listed below or go to the counseling office to pick up a flyer.
Sixth Car Rental will be awarding 5 $5,000 scholarships. To qualify, you must be a graduating senior, plan to enroll in a full-time undergraduate study at an accredited 2- or 4-year college or university for the 2019-2020 school academic year, and have a minimum grade point average of 3.7 on a 4.0 scale. For more information, go to the website listed below. We'll be right back after a message from our sponsor.
Jersey Mike's, located just off of Newhall Ranch Road, is your perfect lunch location. From friendly faces to delicious food, Jersey Mike's has it all. The regular student meal deal can be purchased for just $8.95 and includes a regular sub with chips and a drink. Alternatively, the mini sub student deal can be purchased for $6.95 and includes a mini sub with chips and a drink. A student ID is required to purchase the student meal deal and is available from Monday through Friday.
That's all for today. I'm Sami Stadtlander. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Merrick. Have a great day and a great weekend. We will see you on Monday.